I did have a meth leak and I did have a messed up fuel pump. The new meth pump is in, the fuel pump is also in. So those two things are fine, but the only thing is now I have major belt slip. And the upper RPMs, the car drops like 5 pounds of boost almost. So I need to get an idler pulley or something like that. I have an idler pulley on order. It's just taking hell long to come in. But anyways, today's video, we are going to meet up with Myke. But yeah, he's been trying to get a C7 Z06 from what I've seen. So he wanted to get a ride in this. And I'm like, shit, dude. Show him what the car feels like, modded and stuff. But keep in mind, the car does have slight problems. It's not going to pull as hard today. There's only the Corvette guy. You know, every time you see a Corvette guys either give you the little peace sign or they'll give you the little headlight blink thingy. We're almost at his shop, but look, we have stop abortion now. Voting saves lives. Vote pro-life. I agree. Stop abortion. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think about abortion? I'm like, if you got a girl and you accidentally do get her pregnant, you like 16, 17 years old, I don't know, bro. It's a hard choice, but, you know, I shouldn't be talking. I haven't been in that position, thank God. You know, yeah, let's just make it about the car. Let's just make this about the cars, and I'll pick it up when we get to the shop.
You gotta be 50-50. House for car, which one? House for car. If you ain't getting me a Z06, you need to get out.
We just pulled up, guys.
It was a Z07 package.
Oh.
So since it was a Z07, plus it had nostalgic history or whatever it been like.
They be putting all that bullshit on there.
Yeah.
It don't fucking matter.
It was supposedly that was like the one owner from that car. Supposedly was GM, and it was like their car that they were using to test it around.
Oh, okay.
Shit, so
you can find a lot of vets on the forums too, or Facebook Market. Hella dudes just let them go.
I've seen them as low as like, I seen one, it was out the way for like 46, but they were like, it was like $500 to ship it to Richmond. It had like 50-some thousand miles on it. I'm like, bro, that's hella cheap.
That's cheap.
C6 or C7?
C7 Z06.
Damn, fool. But the one you looked at, it had the bigger lid. That's like perfect. It keeps the cooling cool too.
Yeah, it was 2017.
Yeah, after 2017 they fixed the heating issues.
Yeah. That's what people were saying. If you're gonna get one, get 2017 and up.
I didn't know you could do that's really cool.
All right, guys, he's about to hook the cameras up to the car, and we're about to go for a little ride. Damn, yo. I'm not a JDM person, but this shit is fucking clean. Holy shit. Fuck. Yeah. I need to get into the JDM scene, dude. Fuck these American cars. Shit is clean. Don't get me wrong, I still love my Vet, but this thing is fucking crazy. The wrap is hella unique, bro. I fuck with it. You got his G right here. 300. I forgot which car this was. I've seen it on his channel though. This thing's insane. All these things, bro. Imagine having a shop like this. One day, guys. One day I will have a shop like this. And we'll bring all the homies' cars in here and be chilling. Yeah, he's just setting the cameras up and then we about to head out of here. Yeah? I think I'm gonna let him drive it. Why not? Ain't too bad.
my head on the seat. Nigga caught me off guard.
Just keep on straight.
Yep. You know, run right into it.
Yeah. So you can still make it quiet.
Oh, it got hella quiet. Oh yeah, that's hella sick. Make it loud and quiet.
Yeah. You put like a Corsa on here, make it hella loud, but then you'll never
Can't quiet it back down. Nah, this exhaust sounds hella good.
Yeah.
Like it don't sound like no bitch at all.
Hella cops on this road. So like 3 hours.
It's a police station over there.
Oh, okay. That's why. How's your granny?
She cool.
Cool.
Her stubborn ass. I be trying to tell her to come out here.
And she don't want to move?
Nah, she.
Yeah.
I ain't going nowhere. I'm hella stubborn. If that's the case, I could have got a 2-bedroom. Shit.
Man.
It ain't nobody but just me and my girl. Ain't like we got no kids yet.
Yeah, true.
Could got a little comfy house.
Yeah. Get another one down the road.
Shit, we went and picked up the house is 4-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
But nigga, we got the animal room, so they got their little fucking room and shit.
That looks nice though. The house looks clean. You did all that shit like what, like a week?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like a week and a half to knock that wall and everything down.
Yeah.
It sounds hella nice. Is you rev matching or is that the auto rev?
That's the auto rev. I ain't got more like
Peep this auto rev. That auto rev match. You can't beat machinery.
Okay. I might as well get an auto.
Brother, after driving the GT500, I was like, brother, that dual
Yeah.
clutch transit's no joke,
Yeah,
bro.
it ain't bad. I like it.
Yeah.
I was clowning it at first too, but that shit goes. That shit
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, when
Right?
you get planning, yeah, you can go right or left. Either or. Damn! These brakes are crazy, yo! Motherfucking basketball came from the back.
Yeah, I have a
Oh, we got one? Oh, let's get this.
Oh, you don't want to line it up though. The fuck y'all be going sideways on my drag radio? Slow down, fool. Probably get too hot. That's a
groove.
Yo, long ass dick.
This thing is quick. I'm not even gonna bullshit y'all. This thing is fast. And this is probably physically the fastest car I've rode in. I would love to run this with the SE. This will be a good run. This thing is fast. And it hooks up like a motherfucker.
I didn't think it was gonna hook up like that.
I need one. Or I need to just put a Magnuson on my 350Z or something.
Some
This is nice.
shit. Should've brought my code reader.
That shit pull, man. It's like, you know, when you have a fast car and people be like, oh, you know, drive my car and shit and take a ride along. It's like, it's hard for you to be impressed.
Yeah.
Like for me driving like other shit, I'm like, man, I know it's fast, but when you start gauging everything off your car, you be like, it's, you know, everything just becomes cool.
True.
Like, man, I was dailying my shit around at 900 horsepower.
Yeah.
So it was like, I got so used to it to where I was like, man, like, yo, this motherfucker is fast. Like, when I first rode in the passenger seat of my own car, I was like, holy shit.
Yeah. I remember I let Jensen drive it. I was in the passenger seat. We almost lost that bitch. That felt crazy because I lose it every time I hit on it. So it's like, it's just different.
Yeah, for me, I'm so used to like my car breaking traction. It's like, plus, you know, with drifting and stuff, it's like you know when the counter steering corrected.
Yeah, true.
I'm either looking at a C, like a wide body C6, or I'm still gonna get me a C7.
C7, man, I'm telling you. If you're gonna keep it mostly stock for a daily, C7 the way to go.
Yeah, because I was like, man, if I get a C6 Z06 and right off the bat, I gotta do head cam, like right off the bat. And even then, it's like if I decide to stay 91, it'll probably make like maybe like 530, 550, and then pushing it. If you got an E85, you can, you know, crack 6, but. I'm like, man, head cam after buying, because you can find them at like dealers still for like 35, 40, and then you got to put another 10 into, you know, heads and shit. So
yeah, right off the bat. I know I was watching when Cakes got his. I think he only had it for like a week or two. I don't know how he had it. That shit like
dropped the valve. Yeah. He wasn't even like, he couldn't even dog it because remember it had the clutch issue.
Yeah. So
his shit fucked up on like some weird fluke shit.
That shit was nice though.
I wish he would have kept it. Like before he posted it, he sent me pictures like, cause he knew I wanted a C6 Z06, and that fool, when he posted when he first got it, he was like, you about to be hella mad.
Oh, shit.
I'm like, what? And then he sent me a picture of it. I'm like, you a fucking.
So he told you before he posted it?
Yeah, he showed me it before he posted it. Like he had it for like 2 months before he said anything. That fool always be getting cars and not saying nothing.
Got an S15 too. That shit's so wet.
I feel like after having something like this, you need like one of those like top tier JDM cars to really appreciate it. Like I couldn't picture you coming from this and then getting like a 350Z or some shit. Like you'd probably want like an FD or a Super or something.
Yeah, FD or a Super is something I want to look at. I don't care about making it fast. It's something nice.
That's how I am with my FD. Like I got the single turbo and everything, but I'm just doing like 100% reliable shit for it. Like on that car, I'm just like 450 with a single turbo. Like
450 on a light ass car. That's just perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have these American cars on the street.
This thing is hella nice. I like how smooth it is.
Yeah. It hits me every time, bro.
Dude, when you got on it when we were over there, I was looking at the phone, I was like, dong, dong. Like, what the fuck?
That one too, man.
It sound hella good too, bro. Like, I love this thing. I gotta get one. Even when we went to the dealer and we looked at it, dude was like, you want to test drive it? I was like, nope. I'm like, I don't need to test drive one. I'm like, I know I want one. This thing is hella nice. They're gonna hear me saying that hella times in the video. Like, this thing hella nice.
Alright, y'all, we just got back from the ride along with Myke. What happened was we had a Hellcat pull up next to us. It was actually a female driver, and I slapped this bitch into 5th gear, and it did throw a check engine light, but it was driving normal. Like there was no misfires, there was no bogginess or anything. It was driving completely normal, but it threw a check engine light. So I didn't go on it too hard, but I still let him drive it just because fuck it, why not? And yeah, so I'm gonna go to, cause I gave my HP tuners. No, it wasn't my HP tuner. Wasn't mine. It was my boy Michael's. He has the HP tuners now. So I'll probably go to AutoZone or O'Reilly to get an OBD reader and scan that check engine light code. But yeah. Big shout out to Myke. Big thank you to Myke for having me and letting me come through and do this ride along with him. It was dope. It was cool. And if you're from his channel, thank you for watching the video. If you're from my channel and for some reason you don't know about him, check the dude out. He's a cool dude, man. But that's it, man. All right, guys, we made it home. We were going so fast that this shit popped out. It's many. It only popped out because I didn't put it in properly. But the check engine light did go away, and I'm about to fix the exhaust. But as of for this video, it was super fun. It was super fun taking Myke for a ride along and letting him whip the Z06. Sometimes, bro, like your car won't feel fast to you, but then you sit in the passenger seat, let somebody else drive it, and that bitch moves, bro. I'm telling you, it feels so different when you're in the passenger seat. But nonetheless, guys, super fun day. If you're new, please hit that like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.